I can do everything, but I can't go to jail because of what the company is going through.
Hunter has become the hunted.
Because you come with an outside in perspective rather than
Yeah.
अच्छा ये तो हम we only do like that.
Quite interesting. We scaled it to about almost 1.5-2 lakh students a year.
सीरियसली यार मतलब 10th में तो तू दोस्तों के साथ बियर पी रहा होगा पक्का अभी अभी बोल रहा है जस्ट सो योर किड्स कैन हियर.
Manish Chowdhury or Chow is our guest in episode 14.
There's this movie जब we met where जैसे कि जिंदगी रेल की पटरी की तरह जरा सी खिसकाओ तो आप कहीं और चले गए. Getting the monthly salary is a huge addiction. There was a strong desire, I would say, to be an entrepreneur.
Entrepreneurship has become very glamorous. So, I hear a lot of people around me saying, अरे कुछ करते हैं.
कुछ अपना भी करना है was a driver, और जो आप करना चाह रहे हो उसमें कोई और कर नहीं रहा.
What is the biggest KPI that you are tracking? Why you're successful?
JP Morgan was one of our private equity investors, and that's when the Lehman crisis occurred in 2007-8, and everything went for a toss. Very tough 2 years trying to get out of that. I can do everything, but I can't go to jail because of what the company is going through. And
तो तू भाग गया.
I would say yes and no. That was their primary driver, that yes, you understand business, but you don't understand this industry.
So what was your, I'm very curious as a 5-year-old going in a hostel, what is your idea of home?
My parents allowed me to do things which now I would never allow my kids to do at that age.
Typical impression of Indian parents is कि बेटा ये कर लो अब तो ये पक्का कर लो और इस IIT के JEE कर लो उसके बाद ये कर लो.
Terminology of factory I came to know after I got into IIT, because then seniors were like, अच्छा तू भी फैक्ट्री से है.
Because you have seen, I suspect, the whole grind of getting into the coaching circuit, what they say. That time you didn't realize this thing of mental health. But what are things you remember about yourself?
It has definitely become worse.
So it was
I
more
love it when you said कि IIT में भी हो गया तो IIT ले लिया.
कब कहाँ क्या यूज होता है पता नहीं है. So education never goes waste.
Exactly. इस इंजीनियरिंग के नाम में बायो लगा हुआ है देखो ये ऑलमोस्ट मेडिकल है तो इसको ले लेते हैं. If I'm still exploring options, then wouldn't I be zero on decision? Why is there a green quadrant here?
A typical example of that would be, okay, mom was a teacher,
Yeah.
hence I want to become a teacher.
Love at first sight. This is love at first sight.
कि बेसिकली शादी फिक्स हो गई है लेकिन आप रिसेप्शन के दिन पे भी देख रहे हो कि यार कोई लड़की की दोस्त मिल जाए.
अपनी स्टोरी बता रहे हैं. मिक्स लेके अपनी स्टोरी.
मेरी तो बिल्कुल स्टोरी ऐसी नहीं है यार.
इसमें what is Manchao as the person? I mean, is it like you are making it sound more like that Three Idiots life की जिंदगी में कुछ किया ही नहीं, सिर्फ पढ़ते रहे. Was it really like this or was it?
सच बोलियो you're like 30 years after that.
काफी कल्चरल शिफ्ट था फॉर मी.
And Delhi में girls didn't use that?
नहीं, they did.
So उनका हर सेंटेंस में नहीं होता था हर थर्ड सेंटेंस में होता था.
दिल्ली की लड़कियां जो है वो एक अलग लेवल की होती.
अलग लेवल के.
उसके घर सामान रख के वो फिर नियरेस्ट पब में ले गया कि बैंगलोर आया, चल कैंपस जाने से पहले तेरे को पब लेके जाता हूँ.
But the first thing which when I went into hostel in IIM was that I have been in a cocoon environment.
How would you compare IITD hostel food versus IMB mess hostel food? You're into teenage mental health. ये वाला आइडिया उसमें कैसे पहुंचा?
Contribute to the 5 trillion to 10 trillion वाली journey which will happen when this population gets to work. It helps the students understand where they are struggling and what is the delta improvement they can do other than just studying more. Because you should study more is something which everyone tells them.
What are your 2-3 tips for parents of to-be teens or young teens?
Basically helping them discover their own parenting style. The single biggest source of their stress is parental expectations.
Everybody thinks they're supportive. I think it's, what do you mean by supportive or unsupportive?
तो अपने हिसाब से बोल रहा है कि यार मेरा बेटा नहीं आता है वो देखो वो वाला शर्मा जी का लड़का आता है वापस 8 o'clock.
हाँ, शर्मा जी का लड़का आता है.